I do want to remind you that these literacy TPEs do not take the place of the RECA. RECA is in education code. Finally, the fifth theme is foundational skills. Within this theme, the TPEs address the content that is assessed on the RECA examination, including the explicit teaching and supporting student development of print concepts, phonological and phonemic awareness, phonics, word recognition, and fluency. The key difference between the language of the TPEs for this theme and the detailed RECA content specifications, also provided in the agenda item in Appendix B, starting on page 18, is primarily that of grain size. The extensive RECA content specifications that detail the foundational skills of teaching reading are intended to serve as a study guide for students preparing to take this assessment and as guidance to preparation programs offering coursework to help students learn to teach reading. These content specifications are, however, summarized within the language of the TPEs for this fifth theme and have not been eliminated from the content of what teacher preparation programs need to provide to candidates or from what teacher candidates need to learn and be able to do with respect to the foundational skills of teaching reading.